Masarap magkape kasama ang mga barkada.
Since we're big fans of anything unique, we decided to visit Baliwa Grocery Cafe, and honestly, it was such great choice. The moment we walked in, we were greeted by this super charming and aesthetic interior. Everything was well put together. From the soothing tones to the stylish decor, it all felt very warm, cozy, and pleasing to the eye. The ambience alone already made us feel relaxed and excited to stay for a while. But what really made the experience even better was the food. Everything we ordered was clean, delicious, and surprisingly affordable. You could tell they really put effort into both taste and presentation of these dishes. Whether you're just dropping by for a quick bite or planning to chill for a couple hours, it's definitely a nice spot to hang out with your friends or even just unwind on your own. Overall, Baliwa Grocery Cafe gave us such a good experience, great fun, great foods, and great value. If you love pink aesthetic and cozy cafe vibes, this one's definitely worth checking out.
Mapunta ay anino mo'y kumakapit sa aking kamay. Ako ay dahan-dahan nililibing ang buhay.
Kapag na-miss mo, pwedeng balik-balikan. The St. Augustine Parish Church, often called Baliwag Church, is a prominent Roman Catholic church located in Plaza Nanim, Baliwag, Bulacan, Philippines. It's a significant historical and religious landmark known for its architecture, history, and Touch Good Friday procession.